Welcome to KZ Mobile. In today's video, we're diving into the Vivo V50 Pro, a smartphone packed with impressive features at an attractive price point. If you're on the lookout for a phone that blends style, performance, and camera capabilities, this could be the device for you. Design and display. The Vivo V50 Pro comes with a sleek, modern design that feels premium in hand. It boasts a 6.56-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The 90 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing. Performance. Under the hood, the Vivo V50 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and handles demanding apps and games with ease. Whether you're editing photos or playing the latest titles, the V50 Pro keeps up without a hitch. Camera capabilities. One of the standout features of the Vivo V50 Pro is its impressive camera setup. It features a 50 megapixels primary sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 13 megapixels telephoto lens. The front camera is a 32 megapixels shooter, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. With AI enhancements and various modes, the V50 Pro captures stunning photos in different lighting conditions. Battery life. The Vivo V50 Pro comes with a 4,500 mAh battery, offering all-day usage with ease. It supports 44W fast charging, so you can quickly juice up your phone and get back to using it without much downtime. With efficient power management, the phone ensures you stay powered throughout your day. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Vivo V50 Pro offers an excellent balance of design, performance, and camera quality at a competitive price point. If you're looking for a feature-packed phone that doesn't break the bank, the Vivo V50 Pro should be on your radar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to KZ Mobile for more tech reviews.